Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to perform a subtraction in base 36. Base 36 is also known as HEXATRIDECIMAL number system, and in base 36 we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, which is 10, B, 11, C, 12, D, 13, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. E is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Let's look at some examples. We have 1, 6, V, 8, D, base 36, minus T, H, 2, 36. First for our T equals to 29, our H is 17, our V equals to 31, and our D equals to 13. Minus 2 is 11, and 11 is B. Have B here. B equals to 11. 8 minus 17 cannot go. So you borrow 1 here. This one is 31. You borrow 1 here equal 13. Come here. 1 here is 36. 36 plus 8 is 44. 44 minus 17 is 27, and our 27 is R. L R. Our R equals to 27. So this one is 30 minus 17 is 13, and our 13 is D. So 6 minus T is 29. Cannot borrow 1 here. Call it 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. 42 minus 29 is 13, and that 13 is D. So we have DDRB in base 36. Thank you for watching.